back to the channel. Alright guys, y'all know we're getting the shop remodeled. Okay, yes, this is a dealership. It used to be one. It's still one. We're just getting it remodeled. Okay, getting the floors and everything done. New lights put up. It's gonna look nice when everything's all said and done. Now, with that being said, everybody had to move their toolbox and all this stuff to a new location. Okay. Now, with that being said, even I, one of the guys that's been here a very long time, had to move my stuff. Now, what came out of that is how much stuff I actually have, guys. Okay, this is not even close to all the stuff I have, but I am forced to get rid of some stuff because the shop's going to be sort of new looking. They want everything to look new, so I basically have to, you'll see all this junk. I mean, you'd be surprised how much stuff you find that you own that you didn't know you had until it's cleanup time. Like I said, this ain't even half of it. I got a lot more other stuff over there. So what I'm gonna do first is probably end up going through my toolbox. Yes, guys, this is one old toolbox. This toolbox don't even have roller bearings. That's how old. Some of you guys getting into business wasn't even around when toolbox didn't have roller bearings. You actually got the you need to be strong in order to open some of these drawers. And what's crazy, this is a snap-on toolbox. They don't even have parts for this box. I tried to get a new lock for this. They had to give me the updated one. They make a lock for it, but the original stuff is totally out. Everything, all my little MasterTech award. I got plaques everywhere. I got old plaques I forgot I had, didn't even know I had. What I'm gonna end up doing, taking most of that home, because I'm gonna have to clean all this up, basically, in other words. And I'm gonna take most of those plaques home and make me a automotive office, so I can do some automotive repair videos there with a nice little automotive teaching background. Okay, not green screen, but actual background. But guys, oh my goodness, again, this is not even half of it. Okay, the owner came in, the boss told me, don't even think about bringing in this stuff into the new shop. This is a transmission table. I used to overhaul trans. That's why I had to rush and do those few transmission videos that I did, because the transmission was going away. I still got one in here they don't even know about. I actually had to hide it. This 8-speed right here, I've been trying to get this torn down and filmed, but I'm having a hard time coming up with this gear right here. Alright, so let me go to a quick ad break, guys. When I get back, we're gonna start the other process of what's going on. Alright, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back. My temporary home, like I said, I gotta get all this stuff cleaned up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm sure I can create a lot of room in my toolbox if I merely go in and get out some of the old stuff. I got a box right here. I haven't been in the back of this drawer for so freaking long. Do y'all know what these head gaskets go to? Can anybody take a guess? The 2.4 liter in the Sundance Shadow. Anybody remember those cars? Mike Cook, what is it? Tim Cook. My buddy that's in the dealership, been in there for a long time with Chrysler. Do you remember the Dodge Shadow, the Sundance? This is what these head gaskets fit. This is how long. Look, I can't even. I already ran the part number, guys, so don't dog me out by throwing away new part. I ran the part number on eBay to see what people are getting for them. They're not even selling. Nobody owns those cars anymore. Same gaskets for the same car. Stuff been in here so long. I can create a lot of room in my toolbox if I get out old stuff that has absolutely no work. This window motor goes to a Caravan, old model Caravan, AS body. Now, I tend to get these a lot, but they pretty much worthless if you don't have the key to turn out the ignition. Now, you can grab a pair of pliers and twist that out, but you may damage the housing. So I'm gonna hang on to this. That's what gets me in trouble, hanging on to stuff I think I can servos off of old dusters, things like that. Guys, anybody know what this is? This is the clutch assembly to remove the piston out of a 3-speed 31TH. Okay, 31TH was in the first year of Neons. They didn't make it to the PT, but the Neons and the small cars, we had 3-speed transmission, 3-speed automatic transmission. I used to overhaul those daily. Okay, and I always needed this, and I ended up getting my own. This so you can put this in the clutch assembly and press down on the piston in order to remove the snap ring. I ain't throwing that away. See, but stuff like this can go, because it's from an old engine. Lord have mercy. I cannot believe. Same thing, this for a 3-speed transmission. It has absolutely no work right now. Guys, who remember the 3-liter? The 3-liter MMC engine. Mike Cook, Tom Cook. I know you remember that 3-liter. The burner, the smoker, where you do the valve stem seal. In fact, Tom, I still got my tool to cut the valve guides in order to put snap ring on the daggone thing. Yes, that's what we was doing to the 3-liters back in the day. I'm gonna run these part numbers, guys, see if they worked anything before I trash them. But all of this. So this is the thing with me, man. I gotta turn my head when I throw this stuff away. This 3.3, 3.8 head gaskets, I don't see those anymore. I'm not doing none on the side, so these are worthless. Worthless to me. Look how much room I'm about to create simply by cleaning out my toolbox. This is worthless. I got to get it out. Just turn my head when I throw it away, because Lord knows I hate throwing. Oh my God, clutch disc from an old. See, I just created a whole nother drawer. Now what is this? Oh my God, not the. Guys, do y'all know what this is? Bendix 10, Tom Cook. You remember the Bendix 10 recall where we used to do the piston and all that? I can't, this going in the tool room. I'm not gonna throw this away. I'm gonna tell, but I do need my space, my room. Look how much room I just created. I got a whole drawer. That key, see, they come by and buy keys, but not this type, so that's worthless. All of this is worthless, guys. I now have a whole drawer. This is the fuel rail gaskets from a 3.5, the LH cars. Tom, you know what I'm talking about? I got me a whole drawer just that quick. I know y'all engine guys. Tom, Caper, you're an engine dude. I know y'all know what this stuff is. Yes, we used to build engines around here. Hone them cylinders out. I haven't honed a cylinder out in years. See, I refuse. I can't throw this away. But I never needed it. I'll never use it again, but I can't throw it away. That's where you get stuck at, guys. Oh my God. So I don't need this. Just let it go. Turn your head and throw it away. I have no idea what this stuff is. Another housing that I'm gonna have to bust up. Lord have mercy. Guys, let me go to the ad break real quick. When I get back, we're gonna go through. I'm gonna at least get 3 drawers. Alright, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Thanks for staying with me. Look, I'm at drawer 3. Now I haven't cleaned out any of the bottom drawers, only the very bottom drawers. I'm just nitpicking stuff right now. A lot of you guys know what this is. Compressed valve springs. I'm not throwing this away. I'm gonna hide these in the tool room somewhere. Whoa, my goodness. Caper. Look at this, man. Freaking timing light. When was the last time anybody adjust timing? Oh my freaking God. This is still in my toolbox, hovering up space. I have to turn, I'll never use this. I'll never need this ever again. I guess just gotta turn my eye, guys. I'll turn my head and just do that. Because I gotta look modern. I gotta look professional now. They're living in a different era. This is a real main oil seal tool. Now, you know what, guys? I'm gonna put this stuff in the tool room. I can hold classes on what mechanics used to be, or what mechanics used to go through, the tools mechanics used to need. Why the freak am I keeping, even if it's good, what? Input shaft, oh God. Tap and die set. That's missing all the freaking taps. Look how much room I am finna get. Oh, engine lube. I needed some of this on That 3.6 I did a valve lamping tube. Look at this. I'll never need these. I don't forget what engine is. Why did I keep it? Goodbye. Stuff that just gets me in freaking trouble. It's because I refuse to get rid of it. I need to go back to the other drawer. I need to stay on one drawer at a time. What is this? Oh, my torque wrench case. Imagine that. No freaking torque wrench. I have no idea what a torque wrench is. Lord have mercy. AC control heads from old cars. Why? Goodbye. I have no idea. Resistors. I think mostly I was keeping this stuff test part, but these cars no longer exist. Alright, now my drawers are binding. Can't even freaking get in it, or can't even freaking close it. Mechanics wire. You always need some mechanics wire. We're gonna lay that to the side. Gasket maker paper. You always need some of that. This is the plate I was talking about where you can do air pressure test on 41T or the 62T. I think 62T. But yeah, you put this on the valve body, you can test your overdrive, underdrive, and reverse. So yeah, I still have stuff like this. I don't know when the next time I'll ever overhaul a transmission, but I have it. Voltmeters, who knows if this stuff works. Skim module I use for test parts. Oh God, I don't want to bore y'all guys, so I'm gonna chop this video down. And I got a lot of, look at that. Every mechanic got a nut and drawer bolt. I mean a nut and bolt drawer. This happened to be mine. Tensioners from old ass lasers. Plymouth lasers. Who in the world? I am finna create so much space because the box ain't going nowhere. I'm done. I mean, it'd be nice to have a big old nice snap-on box, but hey, I'm gonna ride this thing out with what I got right here. Starter switch. So I'm finna create so much freaking room. That's a drawer with nothing but paper in it. I gotta get organized, guys. Well, I have no choice. Owners ain't having it. The new boss ain't having it. Stuff gotta be clean. Let me show y'all something real quick. I'm about to wrap this video up. What I saw a minute ago. One of these guys recognize this. Caper, where you at, Caper? I know Caper recognize stuff like this. Okay. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Freeze plugs. Freeze plug tool. You stick this on there and put your other end of the tool on there, and you can hammer in a new freeze plug. Back in the old days on the 3 liters, these would go bad all the time. So you had to have a tool in order to install new freeze plug. This was mine. I refuse to throw this away. I mean, it ain't gonna take up a lot of space, so I just tuck it away. Okay, that's the angle head. This is the straight head if you had a straight shot at it. Here are the different fittings. Man, if you need a freeze plug nowadays, you need an engine. They're not replaced. I don't even know if they sell them anymore. Core plugs, what they call them. Oh God. All right, guys. Just from this little bit I've done alone, I've created enough room to add in newer, updated tools. Gotta hang on to this. I use this a lot on the PT Cruiser cylinder head to do valve jobs. Wow. I didn't even think about the upper drawer. So much stuff in here. All right, guys. Let me wrap this up. Like I say, I'm not getting a new toolbox. So what I'm gonna do is clean everything out. Go back in with only the updated stuff that I use. And this box gonna look brand new. So I'm gonna get y'all a good view of it now. Cause when y'all see it, what, 8 weeks from now, 2 months from now, it's gonna be the same box, but it's gonna be totally different. Nice, clean, and everything. Okay. Yeah, I got all my little ASC. Even that's dirty. All my little plaques and awards. So, all right, guys, this video too long. I don't like these long videos. So let me wrap this up, man. I will catch y'all on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.